Connecting Trust Wallet to Coinbase is a straightforward process that allows users to easily transfer and manage their cryptocurrency assets. To begin, make sure you have both the Trust Wallet and Coinbase apps installed on your device. First, open the Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon or 3 horizontal lines. From the Settings menu, select the option to connect to a wallet or exchange. Then choose Coinbase as the desired exchange. Next, you will be prompted to enter your Coinbase login credentials, including your email address and password. Ensure that you are entering the correct information to avoid any authentication issues. After successfully logging in, you will be asked to authorize Trust Wallet to access your Coinbase account. Once you have granted access, you will be redirected back to the Trust Wallet app. From here, you can select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. Choose the desired asset, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and specify the amount you want to transfer. Now, navigate to the Receive section of your Trust Wallet and copy the wallet address associated with the selected cryptocurrency. Go back to your Coinbase account and initiate a send transaction, pasting the Trust Wallet address into the recipient field. Verify that the address is correct and confirm the transaction. Depending on the network congestion and type of cryptocurrency, the transfer may take some time to complete. You can track the status of the transaction on both the Trust Wallet and Coinbase platforms. After the transfer is confirmed, you can view your cryptocurrency balance in the Trust Wallet app. To ensure the security of your assets, always keep your devices and accounts up to date, and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. By following these steps, you can easily connect your Trust Wallet to Coinbase and start managing your cryptocurrency assets seamlessly. Remember to always prioritize security and follow best practices when handling your digital assets.